Want to give your skin a quick spritz of pampering? Kick your expensive facial sprays to the curb and start indulging in these natural DIY skin mists. Want to give your dull and dehydrated skin a boost of moisture? Just blend a few pieces of chopped cucumber. Take the mush out and place it onto a cheesecloth that has been placed in a bowl. Carefully squeeze out all the juice from it into the bowl and add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel before you finish up the portion with 1/3 cup of distilled water. Pour the mixture into a handy spray bottle and you have a hydrating and cooling mist to beat the humid weather. To freshen up your skin and give it a glow from within, turn to one of nature's most sought-after beauty staples, rose water. In a saucepan, add fresh rose petals and submerge them in water. Simmer for about 15 minutes and then strain it once cooled. Make a rosy mix of half a cup of the water, 20 drops of jojoba oil, and 5 to 6 drops of lemon essential oil. Rose water has antibacterial properties that protect the skin from breakouts and also absorb excess oils while maintaining its pH balance. Jojoba oil gently hydrates while lemon essential oil unclogs pores. If you're looking to restore that youthful glow and tighten your skin, then this natural mist is a must-try. Start with half a cup of green tea and add 1/4 cup of witch hazel to it. Green tea has anti-aging and antioxidant properties, while witch hazel protects, repairs, and firms your skin. Once again, put the concoction into a spray bottle and mist away to get healthy, glowing skin. Deodorants and powders can leave sensitive skin inflamed and uncomfortable. So turn towards natural ingredients to beat the odor and bacteria. Mix together 1/4 cup of boiled water with 15 to 20 drops of any essential oil that you prefer. We're going with lavender today because it has an extremely relaxing and therapeutic scent, along with a squeeze of grapefruit for its antibacterial properties. Load up your mini spray bottle with this magic mix and you can use it not just on your underarms but all over your body for a refreshing smell. Oily, dry, sensitive or combination, leave your skin type in the comments below and we'll help you find your perfect match. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.